Hello friends, welcome to our new English channel, English learning channel named English Speaks. In this channel, I will teach you all of the grammar topics from the start point to end point, and I will cover all of the topics of the grammar, and by this channel you will teach more and more. You can able to teach more and more. You can able to improve yourself within shortened term. Okay friends, here first of all I have to introduce the book which I will teach you. Here it is one of the best book for improving your English, and I will teach lessons from this book. I will teach one lesson per day, and I will take 2 days for taking one lesson, for teaching you one lesson. Here first of all I have to introduce this book. It is named English Grammar in Use, and it is also known by the Raymond Murphy book. Here you can see that English Grammar in Use, a self-study reference and practice book for intermediate students. Okay दोस्तों, here with answers, and it is the second edition book, Raymond Murphy, and this is the PDF file, and from the PDF file I will teach you all of the lessons. It is included 136 lessons. I would like to show you all of the lessons, and so much amazing grammar topics are included in this book, and by this book you can able to teach, you can able to learn, you can able to speak all of the things you can able to do. Here first of present and past, present continuous, present simple, present continuous and present simples. Here it is introducing that present continuous and present simple. Here it indicates that in some situations we have to use both tenses in some situations, and in that type of situations how can we use both tenses? Here present continuous and present simples, present continuous and present simple 2, part 2, past simple, past continuous, present perfect tense. All of the tenses are included in this grammatical topics. Future tense, modals, auxiliaries, all of the things are included in this grammatical topics, and I will teach you one lesson, and I will take time to teach you one lesson for 2 days. Within 2 days I will teach you one lesson. Okay friends, here articles, nouns, they, pronouns, determiners, some and any, relative clauses, adjectives and adverbs. All of the topics are included in this book, and it is so much amazing book, and I like the most this book, and I have been also working on this book, so I would like to teach you all of the grammatical topics. This video is only about the introductions, and so I will not talk more about this book and in this video, but per day I will teach you one by one topics. Here friends, I will take 2 days for teaching you one lesson. At the first day I will teach you only lesson, and on the second day I will also teach you exercise with answers. I will give you new words, and by this way you can enhance your vocabularies, and by this way you can able to improve your English within shortened term, and you will definitely improve yourself if you watch our videos per day. You can definitely improve your English within shortened term, within 15 days you can able to speak. Here so friends, I will also give you descriptions. In the descriptions I will write the new words and topic related descriptions. I will write in the descriptions, and all of the things you need to speak, you need to improve your English, I will provide definitely. So don't worry about your English, about your improvement. Only just give me all of the authorities of yours and I will handle all of the things. If you have any questions arises in your mind, you can ask me and I will try to remove your questions. So don't worry friends, per day I will teach you one lesson, and by this way you can improve yourself so much better. I will also teach you story of the English stories, and by this way you can understand the morals of the story, and you can also relate your real life situations with the story, and you can able to know the real examples of your life, and in the real examples of our lives, in the real situations as included in the story. In these types of situations, which types of sentences we have to speak in these types of situations, you can understand very nicely. Okay friends, so don't worry about that. I will teach you all of the things. Don't worry, just keep on our channel, keep watching our channel videos, and I will definitely help you. Here English language is so much easy, but first of all there are 4 fundamental stages for improve any language. Here first of all you have to listen. If you watch our videos, you can able to practice more and more, because you will listen my videos, also watch my videos. That times in these situations you can improve yourself very betterly. If you read only book of the English for English grammar, you cannot able to improve yourself much better. But if you watch videos, if you listen videos, if you listen sentences, if you play any song of the English, then you can improve yourself much better, because listening is the first stage for improving your English. And if you want to improve your English, you have to first take the stage listening. Second stage is the watching. If you watch our videos and listening our videos, that means you can improve yourself much better. After you can read and also write. Okay friends, now it is the only introduction about of the English grammar, which topics I will teach you and I will take to teach you. So I will not talk more. If you like our videos, please like it, subscribe our channel and share it on social media. Thank you very much. Goodbye.